Hi my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. So this is the second part of the video. Now that I've decorated the spread, I'll show you how to plan out a spread while sitting at home. So I'm gonna put in Self-Made, which is a show I'm watching on Netflix. I'm gonna be finishing this up on Monday. I know that a lot of you have questions what to put in your planners at a time of a quarantine and so on and so forth. So I just created a spread for myself for next week with different things I'm going to be doing. So I put meal prep. I'm going to be making chicken and veggies and jar salads as well as oatmeal. So I'm going to create quite a few so then I don't have to cook every day. So there'll be breakfast, lunch, and dinner by reversed order, I guess, that I'll be making. I start with the most difficult and tedious to the least difficult and the least tedious. So that's kind of how I do this. I am just checking my plans and my books, and I am reading on One Way or Another by Colleen Coleman. It's a romance comedy. I really am enjoying this. So those are sort of the things that you can put. You can put like the meal prep. I'm just gonna remove my bracelet because it seems to be in the way as I'm writing. And then I put deep cleaning, but that was an issue, so I used whiteout and I undid it, and then I'm gonna cover it up with the sticker so this way I can continue writing on. And there was a sticker in the same color from the Mega Rainbow that says the plan, and I'm gonna put deep cleaning because I'm gonna be doing some deep cleaning on Tuesday. And I'm planning to do living room, dining room, deep clean my kitchen, and then I'm going to also be organizing my fridge. I'm gonna pull everything out and see how it looks and see what kind of meals I can make as well. And I'm putting in some calls that I'm going to be making to check on my family and friends. So like my mom, Alec, Isa, Greg, my girlfriends, and I'm just drawing a little phone because there's too much space in there. So I'm just doodling a little. Once in a while I doodle in my planner, not very often, but once in a while I do. And then like I said, deep cleaning kitchen and then organized fridge. Those were my kind of ideas for this. And I'm going to be meal planning on Tuesday. That means I'm gonna write out my meals that I want to make for the rest of the week, even maybe 2 weeks. So because I'm not going to be grocery shopping with all of this coronavirus going around, as well as looking through cookbooks and kind of trying to figure out something new. Since I have all of this abundance of time sitting at home, I actually can play around with some cookbooks and see if I can come up with something else. I'm just darkening up some of the text so it stands out. And then on Wednesday, I'm going to be doing some journaling, I'll be doing some videos for you guys, some budgeting. And then I started watching a show and I'm going to probably finish that on Wednesday as well, but we'll see. And the show is called 100 Humans. If any of you have watched this, let me know, because I think it's a fun show. Probably a little quirky, but fun nevertheless. So I know a lot of us are struggling right now with plans and like filling up our planners. So I thought this will be kind of a good idea to show you guys what kind of things you can put in there. I'm going to be organizing my coat closet, organizing my hallway closet. I'm going to be working out at home. And then organize laundry room, wash the floors. And then I have a Cricut that I got for Christmas, but I didn't really get a time of day to play with it. So over this break, I'm gonna finish setting up my Cricut design space, and I'm gonna make my first Cricut project. So I thought I'll put that as a plan as well. And then on Saturday, I'm planning to tackle all of the clothes in my house. On Sunday, I'm gonna deep clean my bathroom, like completely deep clean. And then on Thursday, I'm planning like a long FaceTime date with my boyfriend. So we FaceTime every day. We live separately, and he was sick, and I'm kind of a high risk with everything that is going on as far as my health. So we have decided to stay away from each other, and that way the only contact we have is through phone and FaceTime, which is so difficult. It's truly so difficult, but it's for the safety of both of us. So I guess we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna be washing the floors, like I said. Take out some trash. And then I know on Saturday I want to do some coffee and journaling. And I'm going to be working out on Thursday from home, probably on Monday as well. And then on Saturday in the morning as well. And then, like I said, I'm going to try to make my first Cricut project on Friday, so that might be a fun thing. I might be doing something for my planner, and if so, I will definitely share. I might be doing some dividers or something like that. And then I'm gonna bake some bread, because that's gonna make me feel more like at home, even though I'm alone. So I keep popping off those little boxes, but I got it back together, and I'm gonna rewatch Love is Blind. So do any of you watch this? Are you as obsessed as I am? If so, leave some comments down below, because I am obsessed with Love is Blind. And I started watching it in January, and then like end of January I believe, and then I had my boyfriend watch the rest of it with me starting Valentine's Day. So we finished it, and I am obsessed. I have to say, my favorite couple is Lauren and Cameron, and my favorite contestant on this thing, I don't know if even that's what you call, is Kenny for sure. And home spa night, so you can have a spa at home and just kind of do your thing. I think that will be fun as well. I'm gonna do laundry on Wednesday, so then this way everything will be ready and good to go to work on that closet on Saturday. I'm gonna start organizing my craft room on Sunday and then make more videos for you guys. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is kind of just examples of stuff that you could put in your planner. I hope you enjoyed this. I appreciate you subscribing, and to all of my current subscribers, thank you so much for continuously supporting me and watching my videos. I truly appreciate all of you guys. And to those visiting, please, 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 please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That will help me greatly, and it will let me know you guys like this type of videos. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye!